In this episode, the team sails the Min River to reveal the Moon Boat Festival, a centuries-old tribute to the river. Historians explain how ancient boat races synchronized with lunar cycles and seasonal floods shaped communal labor, cuisine, and song. Rituals include lanterns set afloat at dusk, drums that mimic tidal currents, and storytellers reviving legends of river spirits. We observe craftspeople weaving ceremonial nets and painting boats with symbols of protection, prosperity, and communal unity. By tracing these practices through generations, the film shows how color, sound, and ritual bind coastal villages to water and memory.